stuff is looking crazy. Ew, my edges are
I was saying because she was taking the shower.
Do y'all see this?
Hey YouTube, LOL. I caught Rain. Y'all heard her. She's a weirdo, just like me. But anyway, today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I'm updating my roots and bleaching them again. And I did get Rain to help me because I cannot see the back of my head. And she swears she's better at dyeing hair than me. So, yes, I'm gonna take my bowl, my little bleaching powders, and a 30 volume developer, and my Shimmering light shampoo. And that's all you're gonna need, besides gloves. Get your gloves. So Rain started to part my hair, like we started down the middle and made a part from that, like to make a full straight access to my roots, because that's the main part that's brown. Obviously, we're not trying to burn my ends off. So yeah, she used some clips and just tried to separate my hair as best as we could. But once you start putting that bleach in, child, PSA, I'm gonna need y'all to not laugh at my facial expressions and my face just this entire video. Thank you. So just like with any root touch-up routine, you want to start at the core of your head. LOL, smoke break. I feel like y'all gonna start watching my videos. I'm gonna get more subscribers and everybody's going peep when an L's in the camera. I go LOL, smoke break. But so after she got like mostly the middle piece of that side of my head, we started doing the center and the other side and the back, because those are my most coarse areas of hair. And then she let me do my own front because I wanted to, you know, do something. All right, y'all, here I go. Grab my trusty dusty. Oh, well, not dusty. Well, they are dusty because bleach makes your gloves dusty. But I got my gloves and I started putting the bleach in my hair. I tried to get some spots that I thought looked a little bit like they weren't turning all the way. But the gloves got a little difficult, so I used the brush that we had and I went to make sure I fully got the front of my hair. But yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all watch the video, and yeah. Side note, I don't know if y'all can really see it, but a good tip that I wish I had done with my gloves. Rain put the little black rubber bands around her gloves so that it stayed to her hand. Mine were all slipping off. That's why mine were difficult. But after we got most of the product in, I just start rubbing it through, making sure it was everywhere. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, some spots were still a little dark, and I did go through again and bleach my hair a second time. But yeah, I'm about to put a plastic cap on like in a couple seconds in this video, and I'm gonna be rubbing my scalp because bleach does make your hair burn after a while of having it in. So yeah, Rain gave me the tip to just rub. Don't like scratch or anything. Like just rub with your fingertips. Y'all will see me do it. So I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I really don't keep timing on it. I just pay attention to how my scalp feels, and I'll pull my plastic cap back and just look at the progress of my hair. But I thought this was pretty good. My scalp was shimmering, so I'm using my shampoo and I'm washing it out. And here I am. Boom, the reveal. Back to the full blonde. I love it. I love having blonde hair. Look at the growth, y'all. My hair is getting so much longer. I'm doing this goddess locks video soon. It's gonna be my first time trying to do them, so fingers crossed that they come out good. I've never even had locks before, so it's gonna be interesting. But they're gonna be platinum blonde, just like how my box braids just were.
Like, yo. Y'all don't understand. Like, I was really super bald headed. Wait. Y'all do understand. I was super bald headed. And it's back again. It's back again.
I can feel your babies percolating overnight. I'm gonna wash this shit out tomorrow. Cause it's Monday. I'm gonna put my white shit in. And I'm gonna be a wavy nigga.
My point exactly. I'm not the only weird one. See y'all? Y'all see? She tried to play me in our video together, so now I'm playing her in my video by myself. What the fuck is you talking about? But anyway, I'm gonna insert some pics of what I styled my hair like. And yeah, I wore a wrap the first day. I just had my edges out. I did a little twist out with 2 little puffs. I went to the Steve Wilkos show. It was lit. But yeah, I'm gonna insert some pics of what my hair looked like. And thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. All right, bye YouTube.